Graphic Communication, Artistic Drawing, Part 1.
Artistic drawing and technology uses different techniques to communicate and enhance the design ideas you will develop. We will look at freehand sketching, enhancing drawings using color, shading and texture techniques, as well as presenting designs in double vanishing point perspective. These are two important techniques to establish at the beginning: holding your pencil and drawing with your arm. Grip your pencil about 2 to 3 centimeters back from the point. You will have more control of your drawing in this way. Do not bend your wrist when drawing, as this lessens your freedom to design quickly. Your movement should come from your elbow and shoulder. Remember, hold your pencil further back and lock your wrist. To draw freehand straight and curved lines, use a technique called look ahead. You place your pencil at the start point, but your eye looks to where you want to end the line. Then, without looking at the pencil, draw the line. Your eye helps to guide your hand. Let us use the look ahead technique while drawing different shapes. Do not pause when you change direction and draw circles with one circular movement. Remember to look ahead and draw without stopping. By drawing quickly and accurately, you will not need to use a ruler or eraser. You will be able to present your ideas as soon as they come to mind. Let's look at a few design ideas using the techniques already discussed. Let us look at a design for a new cap that can be worn by a sports supporter while watching sport. It needs to be practical but show the supporter's love for different types of sport. Our next design will be for a new creative coffee mug with a built-in drinking straw, supported on 3 legs. Now, let us look at a design for a model crane. As an idea comes to mind, I speak it out aloud and draw at the same time. This technique of talking and drawing allows creativity to flow quickly. A flat base to support the crane. Wheels so that it is movable. Upright to support the crane arm. The arm will go here. A support piece to hold the arm up, a pulley here, and a winding device here. Rope over the pulley with a hook, a seat for a man to sit on. Take a little time and practice these techniques. Remember, hold your pencil further back, lock your wrist, look ahead, draw without stopping, talk as you draw.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.